Now practice at 4.1. They have given Pawan Medical supplies medicines. So Pawan Medicals supply medicines on some supplies medicine, and on some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. So rate of GST they have given how much? Rate of GST is equal to 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and what is the rate of SGST? So what is the rate of CGST and rate of SGST? तो जो भी GST का रेट है, whatever is the rate of GST, half will go to CGST and half will go to SGST. So what is half of 12? That is 6%. So that is equal to 6%, and SGST is also 6%. So remember, whatever is the total rate of GST, half will be the rate of SGST and half will be the rate of CGST. So half of 12 will go here and here. Now on certain article the rate of GST, so rate of GST is how much? Not GST, CGST is equal to how much? 9%. Then what is the rate of SGST? So rate of SGST will be equal to how much? Whatever is the rate of CGST, that only will be the rate of SGST. It is always the same. So if this is 9%, this will also be 9%. And what is the rate of GST? So rate of GST will be equal to how much? So rate of GST is equal to how much? Both together, that is 9% plus 9%, दोनों मिला के आता है GST, that's equal to 18%. So rate of GST is what? Total of both CGST and SGST, that is equal to 18%. And CGST and SGST is always same. Whatever is the rate of GST, half of that is of CGST and half of that is of SGST. Now third sum, MS Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and the taxable value of each tin is rupees 2,800. So what is the meaning of taxable value? Taxable value means what? The cost price of the product. The cost price which is mentioned on the tag on the product, cost price of the product. तो जो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर कॉस्ट लिखा रहता है उसको बोलता है टैक्सेबल वैल्यू. और टैक्सेबल वैल्यू में आप उन जीएसटी भी ऐड करेगा तो कितना हो जाए, उसको क्या बोलता है? टोटल वैल्यू. तो आफ्टर एडिंग जीएसटी, नहीं तो इसको इनवॉइस वैल्यू भी बोलता है, और इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज इनवॉइस वैल्यू. दैट इज टैक्सेबल वैल्यू प्लस जीएसटी. तो टैक्सेबल वैल्यू क्या है? जो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर लिखा रहता है उसको बोलते हैं टैक्सेबल वैल्यू, और जब ये जीएसटी ऐड करके और टोटल वैल्यू उस टैक्सेबल वैल्यू में ऐड करता है तो उसको बोलता है टोटल वैल्यू, नहीं तो इनवॉइस वैल्यू. सो हियर द कॉस्ट ऑफ टैक्सेबल वैल्यू ऑफ 1 tin इज हाउ मच? टैक्सेबल वैल्यू of 1 tin is equal to how much? Rupees 2,800. उसने 1 टिन नहीं खरीदा, कितना टिन खरीदा? 2 टिन खरीदा. Therefore taxable value of 2 tins, taxable value of 2 tins is equal to 2 into 2,800, that's equal to rupees 5,600. The rate of GST is already given. Rate of GST is how much? Rate of GST is equal to 28%. Therefore, rate of CGST, which is same like SGST only, therefore rate of CGST and SGST will be same, which is equal to half of this. What is the half of 28? 14%. 14%. So CGST will be equal to how much? We'll find out first one of them. 14% of 5,600. So that's equal to 14 upon 100 into 5,600. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So that's equal to 14 into 56. So that is equal to how much? 784. So CGST is equal to SGST is equal to how much? Rupees 784. So the amount of, what's the answer? The amount of CGST and SGST in tax invoice. What is the meaning of tax invoice? बिल में क्या लिखा है? In tax invoice is rupees 784. मतलब CGST के कॉलम में 784 लिखा रहेगा और SGST के कॉलम में भी 784 लिखा रहेगा. Now the fourth sum, the taxable value of wristwatch belt. So what is the taxable value of taxable value of wristwatch belt? मतलब wrist watch belt के ऊपर क्या प्राइस लिखा था? That's equal to rupees 586 and rate of GST they have given how much? Rate of GST is equal to how much? 18%. Therefore GST will be equal to how much? 18% of taxable value. That's equal to 18 upon 100 into taxable value is how much? 586. Now if this two, if 100 is not completely getting cancelled, so multiply this two together. So what you will get? 10548 upon 100. Now remove the 100 by putting the decimal. यहाँ पे 2 0 है तो 2 नंबर के बाद डालें, यूनिट्स और टेंस के बाद. तो 8 और 4 2 नंबर के बाद पॉइंट डालने का और 100 निकल जाएगा. 0.105. So that is equal to rupees 105 105.48 paise. So the amount paid by the customer. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? So how much will he pay? Amount paid by the customer is equal to what? Taxable value of wristwatch belt plus GST. So what is the taxable value of wristwatch belt is how much? 586. And what we got GST? Rupees 105.48 paise. So together it will become how much? 691 rupees 48 paise. So then the price of the belt for the customer, the price of the belt for the customer is rupees 691.48 paise. Now the fifth sum, the total value of remote control toy car is given is equal to rupees 1,770. So I have told before also total value का मतलब क्या है? Taxable value और GST मिला के होता है टोटल वैल्यू. तो इसके लिए ब्रैकेट में उन लोग ने दिया है कि विथ GST, मतलब GST इंक्लूड करके वैल्यू बोला है. सो टोटल वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? is equal to rupees 1770, and rate of GST is equal to how much? Rate of GST is equal to 18%. So you can write this way: if the taxable value is rupees 100, then total value is rupees, that is टोटल वैल्यू पहले ही मैंने बताया कि जीएसटी के साथ रहेगा. अगर 100 रुपीज़ रहेगा तो उसका जीएसटी कितना रहेगा? रुपीज़ 18. तो दोनों मिला के कितना होता है? 100 + 18, दैट्स इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 118. Now next step, if the taxable value, we have to find out the taxable. उन लोग ने बोला find the taxable value. तो taxable value find out करने का है. So if the taxable value is, so we don't know, so we'll take it as x. Then the total value will be how much? Then total value is how much they have given? Rupees 1770. So taxable value and total value. So when taxable value was rupees 100, this was 118. When taxable value was rupees x, this was 1770. So take it this way: 100 upon x is equal to 118 upon 1770. So therefore 100 into 1770 is equal to cross multiply. 100 into 1770 is equal to x into 118. Therefore x is equal to what? 100 into 1770 upon 118. Now it goes in twos table. $885. When you divide 885 by 59, you get 15. So 100 into 15, that's equal to rupees 1500. So what's the taxable value we have got? Taxable value, taxable value is equal to taxable value of remote car is rupees 1500. Now we have to find out CGST and SGST. Now rate of GST is given how much? Rate of GST is 18%. Therefore rate of CGST, that is equal to rate of SGST, because both are same. That is equal to how much? Half of 18% is how much? 9%. Now they have not asked you to find out rate of CGST and SGST. Rate नहीं पूछा है, CGST और SGST पूछा है, मतलब रुपीस में फाइंड आउट करना. Therefore CGST is equal to 9% of 1500. So that's equal to 9 upon 100 into 1500. 0 and 0 will go away. That's equal to how much? 135. Therefore CGST is equal to rupees CGST is equal to rupees 135, and SGST is also equal to rupees 135. Then write down the answer. Taxable value is equal to rupees 1500. CGST is equal to rupees 135, and SGST is equal to rupees 135. Now this fifth sum, there is another method which you can solve it. Whichever you find it easier, you can use that particular method. Now total value was rupees 1770 and rate of GST is equal to 18%. So let taxable value be equal to rupees X. So GST is equal to how much? 18% of taxable value, that is equal to 18 upon 100 into X, that is equal to 18X upon 100. Now we know that total value is equal to what? Taxable value plus GST. Now what is total value? Total value is 1770. Taxable value is how much? X. And GST we have got how much? 18X upon 100. Now equalize the denominator. So you'll multiply with 100 over here. So you'll get what? 1770 is equal to 100X plus 18X upon 100. Therefore 1770 is equal to 118x upon 100. Therefore, keep the x over here and bring this to number here. So what you'll get? 1770 into 100 upon 118, that's equal to x. So you'll get the same answer. Answer will be what? Therefore, x is equal to how much? Rupees 1500. When you divide this, what you'll get? 15. So 15 into 100 is 1500. The previous method also we had got 1500. Rest all is same only. So this method also you can do, or the previous one also you can do. Any method you can use. Now they have given in the sixth sum, Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company and the cost of AC with the GST is how much? 51,200. So along with GST, if the cost is given, that is known as total value, that is rupees 51,200. तो GST के साथ जो cost दिया रहता है उसको बोलता है total value. Rate of CGST on AC कितना है? 14%. ये सब ढूंढना है. पहला वाला क्या है? Rate of SGST. अभी rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Now rate of CGST is how much? 14%. Therefore rate of SGST is equal to 14%. So rate बोला रहता है तो percentage ढूंढने का रहता है. Second one, you have to find out the rate of GST. So rate of GST is what? Rate of GST is equal to rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. Therefore rate of CGST is equal to how much? Not CGST, GST is equal to how much? 14% plus 14%. So rate of GST is equal to 14 plus 14, 28%. Now third one, you have to find out the taxable value of AC. In the fifth sum I had shown two methods. You can use any method. So let the taxable value of AC be equal to rupees X. GST is given how much? GST is equal to 28% of X. So that is equal to 28 upon 100 into X. So that's equal to 28X upon 100. Now total value is equal to what? Total value is equal to taxable value plus GST. So total value, we are already having total value 51,200. Therefore 51,200 is equal to taxable value is how much? We had taken it as X, and GST we had got how much? 28x upon 100. 28x upon 100. Now equalize the denominator. Therefore 51,200 is equal to 100. You'll multiply here. 100x plus 28x upon 100. Therefore 51,200 is equal to 128x upon 100. Keep the x over here and shift all the numbers. So what you'll get, x is equal to 51,200 into 100 upon 128. Now in 128 table it goes 128 into 4 is equal to how much? 512. So 128 and this will become 400. So 512 goes in 4's table. So 400 into 100 is equal to how much? 40,000. Therefore taxable value is equal to how much? Rupees 40,000. Now next they have asked you total amount of GST. So GST is equal to what? 28% of 40,000. That is equal to 28 upon 100 into 40,000. 2 zeros will get cancelled. So GST is equal to how much? 28 into 400. So 11,200. So GST, total amount of GST is how much? 11,200. Now amount of CGST. Amount of CGST will be half of whatever is GST, that is 11,200 upon 2, that's equal to 5600. Therefore CGST is equal to how much? 5,000 rupees, 5,600. Last one they have asked what? What is the amount of SGST? SGST is always equal to CGST. So amount of SGST is equal to amount of CGST. So whatever is the value of CGST, same is the value of SGST. So we had got CGST is equal to rupees 5,600. Therefore amount of SGST is also equal to rupees 5,600. Now 7th sum, they have given that Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. So printed price was how much? Is equal to rupees 40,000, and discount was how much? That's equal to 5%. So discount in rupees will be how much? That's equal to 5% of 40,000. That is equal to 5 upon 100 into 40,000. This 20 will get cancelled. Therefore discount is equal to how much? 5 fours are 20, that is 2,000. Now what is the taxable value? Taxable value is equal to how much? 40,000 minus 2,000. So whatever GST we are going to apply, डिस्काउंट है बोल के GST इसके ऊपर नहीं लगाया जाएगा. 5% डिडक्ट करने के बाद जो अमाउंट बचता है उसके ऊपर GST लगेगा. तो दैट विल बी द टैक्सेबल वैल्यू. सो टैक्सेबल वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? टैक्सेबल वैल्यू after subtracting this, what you will get? Rupees 38,000. Now next we have to find out amount of CGST. So CGST rate of CGST is equal to how much? Half of GST. The rate of GST is equal to how much? 28%, which is already given in the sum. So rate of CGST is equal to how much? Half of GST, that's equal to 14%. And what is the rate of SGST? That is also same only. That is also equal to 14%. Now you'll find out the amount of CGST. So amount of CGST is equal to how much? 14% of 38,000. So that's equal to 14 upon 100 into 38,000. 2 zeros will get cancelled. So amount of GST is equal to how much? Amount of CGST is equal to how much? 14 into 380, that's equal to rupees 5,320. So what will be the amount of CGST? Amount of CGST, not CGST, SGST, amount of SGST is equal to whatever is the amount of CGST. Therefore, amount of SGST will be equal to how much? Is equal to how much? Rupees 5,320. Now they have asked, find the purchase price of the washing machine. So purchase price of washing machine is how much? Purchase price of washing machine is equal to what? Taxable value plus CGST plus SGST. So that is equal to taxable taxable value we had got how much? 38,000. So that's equal to 38,000 plus 5,320 plus 5,320. Therefore taxable value purchase price of washing machine is equal to, add everything up, so what you will get? 38,000 plus 5,320 plus 5,320, that's equal to 48,640. So that's equal to how much? 48,640.